Welcome to Plutus IAS. Today I'm going to discuss about the climate of India, and we'll be discussing the major seasons that it's having and what are the reasons for the seasons. For example, why the summers are coming, what is the mechanism of the onset of the monsoon winds, and definitely the winter season. So let's discuss the first with the summer season. So if I talk about the summer seasons, how they are coming due to the shift of the sun in the northern hemisphere. So when there is a shift of the sun in the northern hemisphere, this will indeed develop a low pressure region in the India, and comparatively the northern India will be more warmer than the southern India. Reason being because the coast of the southern India is having a moderating effect because of the sea which is present near it, and the northern India will have the intense heating. North India will have intense heating. While the southern India, South India will also have a good temperature, but there will be a moderating impact, moderating effect of the climate, of the sea. Now, what will happen over here? Because the sun has moved in the north, there will be a gradual formation of low pressure in this region. And especially if you know there is a Tibet plateau over here, this Tibetan plateau will get intensely heated up. This will get intensely heated up. And when this is getting intensely heated up, this is becoming a region wherein it will bring lot of winds from the high pressure region. Now, as you can see, the sun has moved to the northern hemisphere. There is a void which has been created. The reason being because जो आपका southern hemisphere है, that will be not receiving the heat now, that will be lesser as compared to the northern hemisphere, and that definitely this will be a region of high pressure as compared to this. Now the winds will come from here, you call it as the southwest winds. These are known as the southwest winds. The moment this wind start coming in, first they will hit Kerala, then Karnataka and further Maharashtra, and what else, it will be bifurcated in the two branches. One will go in the Arabian Sea and another in Bay of Bengal. The branch in the Arabian Sea will pick up the moisture from here, and then it is going to give a good shower at the coast, but it will run parallel to the Rajasthan. Since it's running parallel to the Rajasthan, there is not going to be no rainfall in the Rajasthan, of course, and in the Himalayan region, there is going to be rainfall. Apart from that, this branch, which is called Bay of Bengal branch, it will pick up the moisture and there will be rain in the northeastern region. Northeastern regions such as Cherrapunji, in the Meghalaya and the different parts of different areas of Meghalaya and the other states as well, there is going to be rain. So this is the first leg of the monsoon wave. Now the point here is there is another wind which is working in a favor of Indian monsoon. There is an air circulation movement. This is an upper air circulation movement, which we call it as tropical easterly jet streams. These easterly jet streams are majorly reason for the movement of the winds towards inside of the Indian continent. When there is a movement of winds inside Indian continent, there is going to be a rainfall in the interior parts of the India. Similarly, in the west, what will happen? The winds are going to blow there, but the point again, the moisture is very less because the moment these winds are picking up the moisture, they are having rainfall over this region. But as they're moving away, the moisture is also getting emptied, the moisture is not also getting feeble. So at that point of time, what will happen? The rainfall will not happen over here in the western side. And hence you have a host. You have a, and hence you have a desert, Thar desert in the Rajasthan area. In the Rajasthan area. Right? So this is how the conditioning of the monsoon winds is. And this is how the conditioning of the monsoon wind is. Next, I'm going to discuss about the winters. Now, what will happen in winters? The western disturbances which are coming from the Mediterranean Sea in this region will come over here. One part of it will turn to the southern direction, southward direction of Himalayas, and there will be a retreating monsoon in this time. And this will be majorly impacting the area. It will bring dry, it's going to be cold. Yeah, after that, November, December, cold, dry winds along with clear sky. And there are a lot of phenomena that you can see in the winters, such as temperature inversion, etc. Right? So this is all about the seasons of the Indian climate. In the next video, I'll discuss about the further concepts of geography. Thank you so much.